Right, I hope everyone's doing alright. So just a quick video of another new book I've done. Basic survival at home, prepping and bugging in. Like the title says, it's just basic kind of prepping stuff. So what you got inside, let's see if I can find the contents. Heating, warmth, keeping cool, water, food, cooking, cleaning, hygiene, electricity and lights, security and other considerations. It's on Amazon for about £5. So just it's basic kind of stuff. I suppose this would be more for kind of people who didn't really know what they was doing and kind of beginners, I suppose. So I'll put some pictures in it of stuff. A few kind of plant pictures. I've done them in black and white to make the book cheaper. So some things you can go foraging for. It's got some of the weapons out of bushcraft and survival hunting tools, and I've put some of the traps from basic survival traps in it. So that's your kind of hunting and trapping aspect of it. What else we got? Cooking, kind of different ideas. Like I said, simple stuff. Kind of lighting kind of stuff. But all the most kind of simple ideas to make it easy for people, and also so you wouldn't have to spend a lot of money. And most of the stuff in this book is kind of stuff like improvised stuff as well. So if you could make stuff you've got at home and you could change, you know, make into things. So that's it, basic survival at home. That's on Amazon. Obviously every country, I would have thought. I've put it as that. So yeah, have a look. I think this is probably one of the biggest books I've done so far. One thing I forgot to do was number the pages, but I think it's about 100 and some pages anyway. I only just realised that I hadn't numbered the pages. Ah, well, you don't need it. Right, anyway, that's on Amazon if you want to have a look. Alright, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.